Hey everyone, welcome back. I wanted to try to get this while it was fresh on my mind still. I've been having a lot of trouble with this lock, and I think it is because of pin 4. I'm not sure if the driver pin is too short and ends up sitting below the shear line. But anyway, I've tried to pick this. The most I can get is pins 1, 2, and 3 set, and then 4 won't move at all. So I was thinking that if I could get in there and get pin 4 lifted up just a little bit, that I could end up getting the driver pin above shear beforehand. And this takes really light tension. And there I've dropped pin 4 too much. There we go. And then it plays some whack-a-spool with you. About to drop the tensioner out. Okay, there's pin 3. Make sure I don't have it. Get my... Okay, I think I'm close. That was pin 1. I'm almost there. There we go. That was really a strange pick. Kind of almost had to float pick it, but without doing that, lifting the pins up slightly before I start, and then manually doing a little reverse counter rotation, it just wasn't happening. So I'm pretty proud I got that, even though this should have been a much easier lock. But anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.